Well, hello. It has been a while since I've done a YouTube video, and the reason is I had always wanted to do a live channel, like live from the studio. The truth is, I've never gotten so far ahead that I felt comfortable buying like a really good camera microphone setup. And I've got a decent camera, and the microphone's good. I don't know how to set up in such a way that it's not in the way while I'm painting. But I was thinking about it today, and this is the beginning of my 6th year full-time as a watercolorist. And I have let 5 years just slide by without creating any YouTube videos. And I think there's real potential here for that. Maybe I'm wrong, but we're going to find out, because starting now, I'm going to be creating content for YouTube. Probably won't be live. It could be eventually. That would be cool. But in the meantime, I'll do videos, post them, and if everybody enjoys it, if it seems like it's going to get some traction, I'm going to be here creating work anyways, Lord willing. So I don't want to let another year pass by with the possibility of growing this YouTube channel. It's been so long since I posted on here, and my career has changed dramatically since that time. I've taken on directions that I had not anticipated, and this video is going to basically be like a State of the Union kind of thing, a catch up after however many years. But what we're going to do is we're going to look at what I was wanting to do was a 2025 like roundup, and send out some thank yous to a lot of the folks that made 2025 so cool. And well, I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. And this will probably be a 2-part video, because another video I want to shoot is some of the art that I have collected throughout this year specifically, and I want to share that with you guys, because there's some really cool artists in this area doing some really cool things, and yeah, I want to share that. We should, I'll be sharing, and whatever success is out there for art. Listening to some lo-fi, I don't know if that's too loud. I'll go back and check the video after I'm done. I may not post this one. I may shoot it again. But also, I wanted to do one for the blizzard of 2026, whether we get it or not. I'm going to post this tomorrow, so you'll have something to watch if you're snowed in, or iced in, as they say is going to happen. So let's get right on it. I may have to get up to grab a couple of things. I think I've prepared everything over here on my drawing table, but let's just jump right in. So, cool things that are happening or happened in 2025. And the first, and this is directly related to this channel, is finally, this is something I've wanted to do for a very long time, but finally saw another artist who was doing a model that seemed more like it could have a wide reach. But so this watercolor workbook, and the first book, this is the first book. The next one that I'm working on right now, well, I'm working on 2. You know what, I'm not even going to tell you what they are. But this one, I took a lot of existing paintings from Maryville, and so we made simple instructions. And so you have, and it's printed on watercolor paper. So you have the instructions, and the sample, and then you have the drawing, and there you create your own little masterpiece. Right now, you can buy this here at the gallery. You can order it online and I'll ship it. You can get it from Neighborly Books or J. Danforth, and hopefully we'll be in more locations this year. But I actually have ideas for at least 4 more books. I'd like to do 2 a year. That's where we're at right now. Very happy with that. So that's one of my favorite things that's happened this year. Another thing, and super excited about this, is I collaborated with a local potter for this watercolor palette. Her logo is on most of these. I don't know why it's not on this one, but it's Sarah at Tried by Fire, and these things are so nice. If you've ever used ceramic, then you know, but if you haven't, I'll tell you, the way that the colors pull and blend on here, it's nothing like plastic. It's so nice, and I've always wanted a nice ceramic palette, but I hadn't found one that was exactly what I was looking for. And so Sarah worked with me and we designed this so that you have 2 mixing areas, trays, and then you got all these pots for the colors, and it comes with a matching, oh, there's her logo right there, Tried by Fire, and it comes with a matching water container, and this is super cool. You can put a brush right there. You can leave your brush right there. This is not yet on my website. I need to get it on my website, but so excited about this. These are phenomenal. I think I've sold a dozen of these already, but yeah. So I guess if we go back to the beginning of 2025 and move forward, I want a big shout out to the University of Tennessee. This was a commission that I did for them, the Torchbearer. This is obviously a print since the original is gone. I was really happy with the way this one turned out. I actually painted it 2 or 3 times.